Did you know a single flea can jump 150 times its height? It can lay 50 eggs a day. It can survive for months without a meal. And if you can see one, there are probably hundreds more hiding where you least expect them. Most people never understand how fast these tiny jumpers can spread through a home, or why they seem impossible to control. But once you see how they really take over a space, the steps to stop them become a lot clearer. And that is where everything finally starts to make sense. Fleas are not like ants or roaches that gather in plain sight. They hide, they wait, they fall off your pets, roll into carpets, settle into corners, and stay low until the moment is right. Only a tiny part of the problem is on your pet. The rest sits in your home where it stays quiet until the eggs hatch all at once. This is why so many people feel like the problem magically appears overnight. It does not. It was already there. And once you understand that, the first step becomes surprisingly simple. Number 1. Deep vacuum routine. Vacuuming is not just cleaning when you are dealing with fleas, it is removing eggs before they turn into adults. Slow passes work best. Move the vacuum forward and backward, then left and right. Focus on the places your pets sleep most. Under the sofa, behind doors, along baseboards. These are the quiet places fleas love. Daily vacuuming for about 10 days helps break the cycle because you hit the eggs before they are ready to hatch, and after every vacuum session, empty the vacuum outside. Not in the kitchen bin, not anywhere inside, outside only. If even a few eggs escape, they can restart everything you just removed. And once you clear the floors, the next step begins to hit the problem even harder. Number 2. High heat fabric treatment. Heat is one of the quickest ways to stop fleas. Wash every soft item your pets use. Blankets, towels, bedding, cushions, anything soft that sits on the floor or on furniture. Hot water helps remove eggs. High heat in the dryer finishes the job. Most people only wash pet bedding, but the hidden eggs are often in the soft items around the home that pets rest on. Without you noticing, heat breaks the cycle fast, but it only works fully when you combine it with the next step. Number 3. Gentle pet grooming routine. Fleas use pets like moving buses. They hop on, feed, and hop off again. A simple flea comb works better than many people expect. Move the comb slowly through the fur. Dip it into soapy water. This traps fleas instantly. You can see the results right away. And when you reduce the number of adults on your pets, fewer eggs fall into your carpets and furniture. This alone makes the rest of the process much easier. And when you combine grooming with the next method, you speed up the results even more. Number 4. Light trap method. Fleas are attracted to warm light. A shallow dish with water and a little soap placed under a lamp becomes a simple trap. The fleas jump toward the light, fall into the water, and cannot get back out. It reduces the adults that leap around your home. It makes the other steps more effective, and it gives you a clear picture of how active the problem still is. But traps alone are not enough. They help, but they do not stop fleas from trying to return. For that, you need to make your home a place they avoid in the first place. Number 5. Natural smells. That fleas. Avoid fleas do not like strong plant smells. Many are normal scents people already use around the house, and they help make your home less welcoming for fleas while the other steps clear out the active population. Lemongrass has a fresh, bright scent that many people love, but fleas do not. You can mix a small amount with water and spray it lightly around corners and soft surfaces. Cedar has been used for years to keep insects away from clothing. Small cedar blocks placed near pet sleeping areas work well. Lavender has a strong calming smell for people, but a bothersome smell for fleas. Light sprays or sachets help in sleeping areas. Peppermint has a cool, sharp smell that fleas find unpleasant. A little sprayed near carpets or door frames can help keep them from returning. Lemon water is one of the simplest. A small amount sprayed around carpets and rugs adds a smell that keeps fleas away without heavy chemicals. These scents are not meant to solve an infestation by themselves. They act as a gentle barrier. They make your home less comfortable for fleas once you have vacuumed, heated, groomed, and trapped the ones already inside. So let's sum this up. Fleas look stubborn, but they are not clever. They rely on hidden corners and quiet fabrics. When you clean the places they hide, add heat to the things they cling to, groom the pets they ride on, and add smells they avoid, you remove every advantage they thought they had. And that is how your home goes back to being peaceful again. Thank you for reading. Feel free to leave a comment and let everyone know which country you are from and if you would like to share your own experience with this topic.